Don't die. Oh! Cranking out of the office a little bit early today because it's adventure time. Let's go. We got a special guest coming today, and look what we're rolling in. How sick is that? Hope y'all are ready to party. Let's go. Are you up for an adventure?
I'm down, yo, let's go.
I was literally about to head out the door and I get a text from Sierra that says, are you in PB? I got the Volkswagen bus. You want to cruise? I'm like, what? Do you want to go to the pump track? We've never met before. How crazy is that? All right, I think we found this place. Look who's rolled up. How you doing, brother? Are you afraid? Have you ever skated one of these before?
No, I haven't. This is gonna be my first time, but I'm stoked.
That's gonna be exciting. Yo, are you ready for this?
Yes, I am. This thing looks too powerful. Next level.
I think you got it. Let's do it. Bring it in. 1, 2, 3, rampage. 1, 2, 3, rampage! I think we can send it down this. What do you think?
He's sending it.
Oh no, X! He's got it. Oh sh! Wow! Look at that. Don't die. Oh! You alright?
Yeah, go on my butt, not my wrist.
Oh, how is your butt?
It's okay.
Oh man, I'm sorry.
All good, it's part of it.
First time on a rampage is dangerous business. Woo! There he goes. Oh, look at your helmet. Ah! All right, guys, that's it for today's vlog. We gotta burn out of here. You can check out Sierra at Sierra Alexi, Axel at Axel W Photo, and you know mine. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. How did we Instagram, right?
Yeah, Instagram.
And
I
you
saw like Rob on Instagram. I'm like, oh, it seems dope. And
Yeah.
then here we are cruising the bus.
She surfs, I surf. She's like, hey, let's surf. And now we're in her Volkswagen bus about to rip the rampages around. Good fun. So yeah, everybody complains about social media disconnecting people. I think it's exactly the opposite. Pretty cool stuff. New friend here.
You
rock.